Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Evony game. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evony game. Then tap on the three horizontal dots. Now select Settings option. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Update option. If you have updated your latest version of Evony game, then it will show this information. If you need an update, you'll be able to see an update button. Just tap on it and you'll be able to download the latest version of Evony game. And that's how you can update Evony game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.